Good morning. Welcome to Azure at Hacienda Lakes. I don't know if you've seen my Jeep tours, but today I'm on a bike tour. So if you lived in Azure at Hacienda Lakes, you could ride your bike and watch the sunrise. You could ride your bike every single morning through this beautiful neighborhood. So if you haven't seen my other videos, then I just want to tell you that there are going to be 405 homes in Azure when it's finished. Try not to go too fast because it's so windy. And there's a mixture of these big homes. There are twin villas. There are homes of all sizes, from like 1,800 square feet to over 4,000 square feet. Get this side so the sun's not so bad on this side. There are twin villas that are around 1,600 square feet. There's actually a couple of two-story villas in here which came later. And there are coach homes. So people love this neighborhood because it's very coastal and you feel like you're on vacation here. And the clubhouse is amazing. Definitely look at my clubhouse tour if you haven't seen it already. But it has a resort-style clubhouse with a pool, cabanas, fitness center. Good morning. Tennis, pickleball, activities, beautiful clubhouse. People are very friendly. I've sold many homes here. And everyone, even the people that I've sold their homes and they've moved out of the neighborhood, I think I've had one person that has sold because they didn't love it. They've sold because of family reasons or personal reasons or things like that. But everyone that I've sold to, and I've sold, I don't know how many, a lot, 25 or more of the ones that are done, they all love it. Really nice people here. So this is the little bike tour. Azure is about, 20 minutes to the beach. 15 if you drive like I do. It's really close to restaurants. 951 Marco Island's just down the road. Isn't it a beautiful neighborhood? Definitely one of my favorites. These are the smaller homes, the Serenos, the Sables. Not the smaller homes. Two-story. There are, as of today, there are a few villas left for sale. The single-family homes are sold out, new construction from the builder. But there are always resales. And I'm about to show you the villas here in a second. Love that house. We're coming up to the villas. Hold on, this neighbor might not want to be filmed, so we're on this side. Good morning. And then straight ahead are the villas. So, good morning. These are the villas. And you can actually have a single family home. You can actually have a pool with the villas, which is great because they really do live like a single family home. There's no one above you and there's no one below you. And these are the coach homes. There's only a few coach homes. They have really pretty lake views though. Okay, so there you have it. Azure at Hacienda Lakes. So if you have any questions about the neighborhood, give me a call.